Are you ready to make your garden flourish this spring? Get ready to dive into the world of companion planting. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is companion planting? Well, it's an age-old gardening technique where you plant certain crops together because they help each other grow and thrive. It's like a buddy system for your plants. Companion planting offers a multitude of benefits. For starters, it's a natural way to deter pests. Some plants emit scents that repel insects, protecting their plant buddies. It's also a great way to maximize your garden space, as some plants grow well together in tight quarters. And let's not forget about increased crop yields. When plants work together, they often produce more bountiful harvests. So, are you excited to start companion planting in your garden? Let's move on to the how-tos. Now that you know why companion planting is a great idea, it's time to learn how to do it. The first step is to choose plants that complement each other. For instance, tomatoes pair well with basil, as basil helps keep pests away, while tomatoes provide shade for the basil. Once you've chosen your companion plants, it's time to get planting. Dig holes that are deep and wide enough for your seedlings. Place one plant in each hole, then gently surround it with soil, taking care not to damage the roots. Now, place your companion plant nearby. The distance between the plants will depend on their type, so do a little research beforehand. Water them thoroughly, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot, and that's how you plant companion plants. Remember, the key is to choose plants that benefit each other and plant them in a way that maximizes those benefits. While we wait for the spring weather to settle, it's the perfect time to start your seedlings indoors. But how do you take care of these little green babies? Well, starting seeds indoors gives you a head start on the growing season, allowing your plants to mature earlier and produce more yields. Plus, it's an enjoyable process to witness the growth of your own plants from seeds to full bloom. To get started, you'll need some basic equipment: seed trays or pots, quality potting soil, and seeds of your choice. Remember, your seedlings are like newborns and need special care. Water them gently, don't let them dry out, but avoid overwatering. Keep them in a warm place, but shield them from direct sunlight until they're strong enough. And light is crucial. Seedlings crave light. If you don't have a sunny window, consider getting a grow light. With these tips, your seedlings should be off to a great start. But there's more to learn, so let's keep going. Now that you know the basics of indoor seedling care, let's delve deeper into the process. Ensuring your seedlings grow strong and healthy is much more than just watering and providing light. It's about timing, acclimatizing, and troubleshooting. When your seedlings have grown 2 to 3 true leaves, it's time to transplant them into larger pots to support their growing root system. But before you move them outdoors, they need to be hardened off. This means gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over a week or two to toughen them up and avoid shock. Now, we all know that problems can arise. Your seedlings might become leggy, indicating they need more light. Or they might develop damping off, a fungal disease that can be prevented by avoiding overwatering and ensuring good air circulation. With these tips, you'll be well equipped to raise strong, healthy seedlings ready for transplanting into your garden. Get ready to watch your garden flourish this spring.